Hey teachers, I hope each of you is safe and healthy on this Monday. We've had a few issues with Moodle forums today, and I'd like to go ahead and show you the fix that you can put in so that everything works just like you want it to. First thing to do on the dashboard page, you're going to click on the course you're talking about. With me, it'll be Health Education. That's my online course. After that, what I want to do is go to the left side where it says Course Administration. I'm going to go in and do Edit Settings. Once I get there, I'm coming to the right side and do Expand All. This will give you a bunch of boxes, most of which should be clicked to where they are right now. We're going all the way down to Groups, and it should say No Groups. I think what's happened in a few of our Moodle pages is that for some reason it's gone to separate groups, and Moodle doesn't allow forum discussion while they're in separate groups. So we're just going to make sure that's on No Groups. After that, we're coming back to the bottom and we're going to Save and Display. And just to make sure everything has done what it's supposed to do, we're going to switch role to Student, which gives us the student view. And if we click on the forum discussion right here, you can see students do have the ability to discuss this topic. Now, one other thing I want you to do too is go back to your course page and switch role back to return to my normal role. All right, I hope that helps, and go Vikings.